Hello there, and welcome to this English comprehension lesson on the celebrity. Let's read this text together. There he is. I see him. I see him. Isn't he handsome? What lovely hair, and his clothes to die for. Oh, I wish I was him. The penthouse flat where London's skyline stretches across night sky. He sits alone in a chair and thinks, remembers, brothers, sisters, friends, all miles away, years away, faces faded and indistinct. A smile slowly breaks across the handsome face, but he buries it in his hands. So this particular poem has been set on the celebrity. In the first section of this particular poem, we can see how handsome and lovely and fair he is, and how impressive he is as a celebrity. And you can see from this particular picture, he's coming out from a limousine, and there are people and fans waiting for him. But in his penthouse flat, a penthouse means a flat quite high up in a very tall building where London's skyline stretches across the night sky. So that basically means that he's probably somewhere in central London with other skyscrapers and very, very tall buildings. And that's where he lives. And it's likely he's very wealthy, very rich, and that's why he can afford to live there. But he's very lonely, and he's sat by himself thinking and remembering about his family and friends, all very far away from him, and some memories from far away. And a slowly smile breaks across his handsome face, but he kind of buries it in his hands. What do you think this means? You have to dig deeper and think carefully about this poem. And you have questions thereafter to answer on this particular poem itself. And we will reflect and we'll go through all these questions together in our follow-up class. Good luck with these.